Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Edge key fob step by step. Press the Release tab and pull out the mechanical key first, then find the seam around the plastic shell and gently pry it open with a flat tool or fingernail. Work slowly to avoid snapping the plastic clips, keep small parts on a cloth to avoid loss, and pause if you feel resistance before trying a different angle. Once the shell is open, locate the coin cell battery and note its type before removal so you get the correct replacement. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the old battery out to avoid shorting anything, and then seat the new battery with the positive side facing up so contacts align properly. Test the fob buttons briefly before snapping the case back together to confirm power and signal are working correctly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after you handle greasy parts and batteries. It's a small comfort that goes a long way. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more tips. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, align the shell halves carefully and press them together until each clip snaps home, ensuring the internal components stay seated. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot and test the Release tab to guarantee it locks and releases smoothly. Finish by testing each button near the vehicle to confirm lock, unlock, and panic functions work. If any function fails, reopen the fob and check battery orientation and contact cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.